without Jesus in your life. So you see, today, out of my mother body, me make you know, say if you don't know God, you don't forget to know God. Because say the product of God here, because my old lady raised me up in that manner. This woman here put on the gloves, the boxing gloves, and show I how to fight life. When I say, this woman here put on the gloves and show I how to strive and survive in a life. So when I don't hear Shabba say, boy, I'm loving mother. And I man work hard in a life to make sure say I'm mother alright. I see I only to work hard in a life to make I alright. Because me is a youth we're going to the ghetto. But me don't know what ghetto life is. Because my mother made sure that she worked hard for her 7 children. And not only her 7 children, but everyone else's children. Because some you know my mother never yet cook a pot of food and her 7 people alone ate that. Everybody else come in and get a plate. And her favorite word to me is, give to all the people you can, as long as you can, however you can. Mama, she never know. No, she not rest in peace, you know, she stand up in her glory. Because God opened up the red carpet and said, welcome home. This is a woman who live her life in a joyful way. I don't know one day where I see an old lady have the farmer animosity against no one. You see me I deal with? It's a woman who show love, empathy. It's a woman who show say, listen to me. Let me go on and drama. You answer one time when I was like, say, 14, 15 years old. And I struggled with this music to make this music be something. There was prominent people within this music that tried to stop I. Everything I tried to do, them tried to stop I. It happened where we're supposed to go foreign. And a man bumps me out and said, don't carry Shabba go foreign because I'm going to run away. And I walk from Jammies, go straight to Seaview. It's a long walk that. And it's taxi I take go to Jammies. And when I reach in my house, I look at my mother and I say to my mother, say, hear me no man, me don't do music. I straight kill people and badness. And she said, what? Kill people and badness? Let me tell you something. No murder in my generation. No blood no in my generation. And to all me love you as a son, don't make me cry. You see, anywhere you did come from, and I thought, oh, kill, go back there, go walk harder. Because when God open up for your door, nobody can close it. And we sit down in front of her and she says, sit down here, son. Cry if you want, cry. Bawl if you want, bawl. Holla if you want, holla. But remember, say, it's only love of God can bring you through. You hear me, woman? I thank you for everything that you have done for me. Everything that you have done for me, I thank you. And the reason why I don't cry over her is because I know I live my life and I know say I mother know say I love her. Because if it comes to I lose I life for she live, would have dead for she live, brother. Would have dead for she live, sisters. There is nothing too great where I could not give to my mother. The only thing I could not give to her is the pearly gate open up so she can see Jesus' face. I love my wife. And the reason why I love my wife is because I love my mother first. My mother is my first girlfriend. So she teaches me how to love my wife. People, I love you. God bless you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. God bless. And especially the church people then. In the mighty name of Jesus, we love you. Yeah.